President Donald Trump has announced a major deal with Pfizer to immediately lower prescription drug prices for low-income Americans under the Medicaid program. The agreement introduces most favored nation pricing for new medications, aiming to bring U.S. drug costs in line with prices in other developed countries. Trump says he expects other pharmaceutical companies to follow Pfizer's lead, signaling a potential shift in the U.S. healthcare market. Currently, American patients pay nearly 3 times more for medicines than patients abroad. This landmark deal could pave the way for more affordable prescription drugs nationwide.
I think the drug companies, we're going to come down a lot, the U.S. The U.S. will come down a lot. But the world, many more people, is going to go up a little bit. And it equalized, and it's a great tribute.
I'm curious, where are the other companies other than Pfizer? Are you expecting them to come?
They're all there. They're all with us. And I was honored to have Albert be the first. He's done a fantastic job with, as you know, with the COVID. He did a fantastic job with a lot of things. He's a leader, and Pfizer is right at the top. You know, it's there. Eli Lilly has been fantastic also, your friend, my friend. And they're all coming in over the next week. We're making deals with all of them. And I said, if we don't make a deal, then we're going to tariff them an extra 5, 6, 7, 8%, whatever the difference is, and we'll take it that way. So we took away the advantage by the fact that we have tariffs. We took away the advantage that they would have of just saying no, and we couldn't do anything about it. If they do that, what we do is we put a tariff on them of an equivalent amount, and we take it that way. And nobody wants to play that game. So they're going to be, they're all going to be good.
40% reductions. This is about access. This is about ensuring Americans have access to life-saving medications.
Mr. President, sir.
When will prices come down, Mr. President? When can
Immediately. They're going to start coming down. Drug prices, they'll be starting immediately.
Mr. President, can you speak to what...
These are real prices. These are net prices. They're not made up. They're not funny numbers.
impact do you think this reduction in drug prices will have on midterms coming up?
I think it's going to have a huge. I said, if we can pull this off before midterms, I've wanted to do it from the beginning, from my first day in first term. And we were doing so well. We had the greatest economy we've ever had. Everything was good. And then we're ready to do this, which is complex and big. It's a big change. But what happened is COVID came, and we focused on COVID. We focused on COVID very hard with Albert, with the other companies, with everybody. Regeneron was a great thing. You know, we did a lot of therapeutics that were fantastic. And so we focused on that. And I said, if I pull this off again, the first thing I'm going to do, and you know, we've been working on this for 8 months. This is a very big deal. This is a big shock to the system. But it's not as much as I said. They're going to go up. The world is going to go up a little bit. We're going to come down a lot. But now it's fair.